Do you have cocoyam at home and you're thinking, what can I make with this cocoyam? Make cocoyam chips. Cocoyam chips is a Nigerian snack to make at home, and if you'd like to learn more about Nigerian snacks and how to make them, you are in the right place. Welcome to my Nigerian food channel where I share African cooking videos that you will love. And in this Nigerian cooking video, I'll show you how to make cocoyam chips. The first thing I will do is to peel off the skin on the cocoyams. After I peel off the skin, immediately I'll put the peeled cocoyams into a bowl of water. I do this to stop the cocoyam from changing color. Simply put, to stop any discoloration from happening to my peeled cocoyams. The next thing to do is to cut my cocoyams. I'll be cutting my cocoyams into thin slices because this part is very important in having crunchy cocoyam chips. As I continue with this video, don't forget to like this video, leave your comment, share this video, and subscribe to my channel, please. Thank you. Yes, and on this food vlog, I have so many cocoyam recipes that you will love. I'll also be pinning some of the cocoyam recipe cards above, so you can click on any one if you want. Now it's time to cook my cocoyam, and I just poured some cooking oil into my frying pan. Also, I'll add some onions. The reason for the onions is to flavor the cooking oil. This part is completely optional, but if you try it, you may like it. I'll scoop out the fried onions and go ahead to add my cocoyam slices. I'm doing this with my hands because I want to ensure that the cocoyam slices are separated properly in the cooking oil. But if you do not want to do this, here is an alternative. Ensure that your cooking oil is very hot, and then scoop in the cocoyam slices in small batches. So after you scoop the first batch of cocoyam slices into the cooking oil, you use your spoon to separate it so that they don't stick together. I'll fry both sides of my cocoyam slices, after which I'll scoop out the cocoyam chips into a basket and allow it to cool down. As I said earlier, don't forget to like this video, leave your comment, share this video, and subscribe to my channel. And here is another reason why you should subscribe to this trending food channel. You heard me right. I said trending food channel because this year I am in the business of speaking positivity, and I speak positivity over this Nigerian food vlog. This Nigerian food channel is going to be a trending food channel, so don't forget to like this video, leave your comment, share this video, and subscribe to my channel. Now that I'm done frying the first batch of cocoyam slices, I just scooped everything into a basket, and I would continue by frying the other batches of cocoyam slices that I have. Remember, I made a lot earlier. So speaking about cooking cocoyam, there are so many recipes for cocoyam. You can make cocoyam fufu. You can make cocoyam soup. You can cook oha soup with cocoyam. You can cook bitter leaf soup with cocoyam. You can even use cocoyam leaves to cook. Don't forget, cocoyam porridge, very delicious. There are so many dishes that you can make using cocoyam as your main ingredient. This is what the first batch of fried cocoyam slices look like, and I just season it with a little bit of salt. Then I'll set it aside, like I said earlier, to allow it to cool down completely, because unless you allow the fried cocoyam chips to cool down completely, you will not get that crunchy feeling that you love. And this authentic Nigerian snack is one snack that I miss so much, because growing up I used to enjoy just buying cocoyam chips from street food vendors and things like that. But right now I reside in a country where you cannot easily get things like that, so I have to make them myself. Now let me show you. This is what my cocoyam chips look like. Delicious, lovely. Yes, thank you for watching. Don't forget, good food should be enjoyed